Your words can cut deeper than any blade. They have the power to destroy dreams, relationships, and hearts in a single breath. But they also hold the power to build, to heal, and to give life. Choose wisely, because your words are the seeds of your future. Welcome to our deep exploration into the profound power of words which possess the unique ability to create life or destruction. Consider every spoken syllable as a tiny seed planted within the fertile soil of reality, destined to sprout into distinct consequences. When we choose words of encouragement, we nurture a garden of vitality that blesses everyone who walks within our social circle. Conversely, harsh or hateful expressions act like a drought, causing the fragile blossoms of human connection to wither and die quickly. Proverbs 18:21 reminds us that death and life are in the power of the tongue, demanding our absolute careful attention. Every single utterance we release carries weight and accountability, shaping the moral landscape of our personal character and our daily interactions. Learning to pause before reacting is a sign of true wisdom, allowing us to filter our thoughts through love and compassion. Destructive gossip serves only to build walls between friends, creating barriers that prevent the flow of grace and genuine understanding today. Prayer acts as a sacred bridge, connecting our human heart to the divine source through the power of our sincere declarations. Healing begins when we offer words that lift the brokenhearted, providing hope to those who are currently struggling in deep darkness. Forgiveness voiced aloud breaks the heavy chains of past resentment, allowing both parties to move forward into a season of freedom. Expressing gratitude through our speech transforms our perspective, turning ordinary days into extraordinary opportunities for joy and deep inner peace always. Choosing to complain constantly only adds unnecessary weight to our spirits, clouding our vision and blocking the blessings meant for us. Educating the next generation about the sanctity of speech is essential for building a society rooted in respect and mutual kindness. Speak life over your own circumstances by declaring positive truths, which will reinforce your commitment to walking in righteous paths daily. Family bonds are strengthened when we use our mouths to express appreciation, creating a safe harbor for everyone at the table. Integrity demands that our words align perfectly with our actions, ensuring that we remain honest in all our private and public. Let the ancient wisdom guide your tongue, so that every word you utter aligns with the eternal truths of heavenly kingdom. Humility is found in the ability to admit our mistakes, using our voices to bridge gaps and restore broken relationships effectively. Your words possess the potential to influence lives far beyond your immediate reach, creating a ripple effect of goodness and hope. Leadership thrives when we empower others through verbal support, turning potential failure into collective success through consistent and encouraging spoken feedback. When anger rises within you, choose to restrain your tongue, for a soft answer turns away wrath and prevents unnecessary conflict. Dishonesty creates a web of confusion that eventually traps the speaker, reminding us that truth is the only path to freedom. Teaching our children to value their words is the greatest legacy we can leave, ensuring they grow into individuals of character. Speak blessings over your neighbors today, for words of favor act as catalysts for transformation in the lives of many others. Listening is a vital part of communication, as it allows us to understand before we speak, fostering wisdom in our interactions. Unity is maintained when we prioritize words that build up rather than tear down, creating a community of peace and love. Patience in our speech allows us to navigate difficult conversations without causing harm, keeping the focus on finding a constructive solution. Praying for those who hurt us is a radical act of love, using our words to transform hate into grace eventually. Just as a farmer reaps what he sows, our verbal habits will dictate the quality of the life we eventually experience today. Refusing to engage in toxic gossip protects your heart and keeps your speech pure, setting a standard for those around you. Writing down our apologies can be a powerful way to process our emotions and express genuine remorse to those we hurt. Using our tongues to glorify the Creator brings a sense of purpose and alignment to our daily existence and spiritual walk. Self-control is a fruit of the spirit that governs our speech, preventing us from making mistakes that we might later regret. Your voice can be the very lifeline someone needs to hold on to when they feel like giving up on their dreams. We will eventually give an account for every idle word we speak, reminding us to be intentional with our communication daily. Think of your words as architectural blueprints that determine the structure and shape of the life you are building for yourself. Keeping our word is a testament to our character, showing the world that we are trustworthy and committed to the truth. Verbal wounds often take longer to heal than physical ones, so we must be extremely careful with how we address others. Gentleness in our speech opens doors that force and aggression can never unlock, winning the hearts of those around us daily. Wisdom is the compass that directs our speech, ensuring that we always speak in ways that honor God and serve humanity. Nurturing a child's heart with positive affirmations creates a foundation of confidence that will carry them through their entire life journey. Professional relationships are built on the foundation of honest communication, where words are treated with the respect they truly deserve always. Sometimes the most powerful response is silence, especially when we are being tempted to say something that we might regret later. Your words are keys that can unlock the hearts of those who are closed off, inviting them into a deeper connection. Reconciliation is possible when we choose to swallow our pride and speak words of humility that invite peace back into life. Positive speech is like the morning sun, bringing light and warmth to a world that is often darkened by negative thoughts. Public speaking carries a great responsibility, as it has the potential to move masses toward positive change and collective global action. Truth will always eventually surface, so it is better to speak honestly from the start rather than living a complex lie. Consistency in our speech shapes our reputation, proving to others that we are committed to being a force for good everywhere. Be the shelter for those facing storms by offering words of comfort that remind them they are never truly alone today. Starting your day with words of devotion sets a tone of gratitude and purpose that will guide your every action ahead. Careless words shatter the peace in our homes, leaving behind shards of hurt that can take a long time to mend. True friendship is restored when we speak with transparency, acknowledging our faults and celebrating the bond that we share together today. Speak power into your own spirit when you feel weak, for your words can ignite the courage needed to keep going. Celebrating the victories of others shows a heart free from envy, using our speech to amplify the joy of our friends. Small acts of kindness through our speech make a massive difference in the lives of service workers who face daily stress. True authority is found in humility, where we use our influence to serve others rather than to puff up ourselves alone. When someone falls, be the voice that calls them back to their feet, reminding them that failure is not the end. Cultivate a positive culture by choosing words that foster collaboration, laughter, and mutual respect among every member of your entire team. Sacred promises spoken between hearts are the foundation of lasting love, requiring honesty, commitment, and a deep sense of devotion. Confront your deepest fears by speaking words of faith, which act as a shield against the anxiety that tries to paralyze. The home is the first school where we learn the power of words, so let yours be filled with grace daily. May your speech always be a source of calm in a chaotic world, bringing tranquility to those who are currently troubled. History is changed by those who dare to speak the truth against injustice, using their voices to advocate for the oppressed. Wisdom is transferred through the stories we tell, bridging the gap between generations and ensuring that our values live on forever. Every great creation began as a vision expressed through words, proving that our speech is the catalyst for all new ideas. Trust is built one word at a time, so ensure that your speech is always consistent with your actions and values. Forgiveness is a gift you give yourself by releasing the resentment that you have held onto through your negative inner speech. Your words have the power to ignite hidden passions in others, helping them discover the purpose for which they were born. Keep climbing even when it gets difficult, for the words of truth you speak will provide the strength to reach top. Communication with the divine is the highest use of our speech, aligning our hearts with the eternal will of our Creator. Compassionate listening combined with gentle words is the most effective therapy for the wounds that life inflicts upon our fragile souls. Disagreements do not have to lead to division if we choose to speak with respect and listen with an open mind. Declare a bright future for yourself by speaking words that align with the vision you have for your life and work. Strong communities are built by individuals who choose to speak life into one another, creating a supportive environment for all members. Be authentic in your speech, for the world is hungry for people who are brave enough to speak their inner truth. You never know who needs to hear a word of hope, so be generous with your encouragement to everyone you meet. Peace is a choice we make in our thoughts, which then reflects in the words we choose to speak every day. Love is expressed most clearly through the words we choose, so speak kindness to those who are closest to your heart. Seek wisdom in every conversation, for there is always something new to learn from the people who cross your daily path. Endurance is fueled by the words of support we receive, so keep speaking life into those who are running the race. Truth sets us free from the deception that binds our potential, so speak it boldly regardless of the pressure around you. Gratitude changes the atmosphere of your life, turning every negative situation into a lesson of growth and a reason for thanks. Collaboration is enhanced when we speak with clarity and patience, ensuring that everyone is working towards the same common goal together. Innovation is the result of dreaming aloud, so share your ideas with those who can help you bring them to life. Learning to forgive yourself is just as important as forgiving others, so speak words of grace to your own tired heart. Leadership is the art of giving hope to those who have lost it, using our speech to inspire a brighter tomorrow. Internal change begins with the words we tell ourselves, so ensure your inner dialogue is filled with love and positive affirmation. Cherish your friends by speaking words of appreciation, for these small gestures create the memories that we treasure most of all. Prepare for your future by speaking words that align with your deepest values, ensuring that your path remains clear and bright. Be the light in someone's day by speaking a word of kindness, for it costs nothing but means everything to others. Persistence is a muscle that we build with the words we speak, so keep encouraging yourself until your dreams are realized. Harmony in the home is maintained when we prioritize gentle speech over the need to be right in every single argument. Confidence is the byproduct of the words we feed our minds, so choose to speak power over your own capabilities daily. Empathy is the bridge that connects us, built through the words we use to acknowledge and validate the feelings of others. Let your imagination soar by speaking words that break the boundaries of the ordinary, creating a life of beauty and wonder. Strong connections are maintained through regular, honest, and loving communication, so make sure to keep the dialogue open with your friends. Inner peace is found when we align our speech with our true selves, living in harmony with our deepest held values. Humanity flourishes when we speak words of love and inclusion, creating a world where everyone feels valued and truly respected always. Invest in the next generation by sharing the wisdom you have gained, using your words to mentor those coming after you. Work is more enjoyable when we choose to speak with gratitude, acknowledging the contributions of those who work alongside us daily. Faith is expressed through the words we speak in times of trouble, anchoring our souls to the hope we have found. Freedom is the state of living without the burden of regret, achieved by speaking truth and letting go of the past. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe to https://www.youtube.com/@vitallifestories for more life-changing wisdom and meaningful stories about our journey.